Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make money with ClickFunnels in 2021 for complete beginners. Now, ClickFunnels has dramatically changed my life. It's helped me quit my 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer. Now, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can make money with this software, whether you have a product, you don't have a product, you have a local business, online business, it really doesn't matter. I wanna show you how you can start using this software even without even having products, but I'm gonna take you through this process. Now guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how they can create a passive income business and how they can achieve financial freedom. Again, guys, I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer. I honestly hated working a 9-to-5 job, so I had to find a way out. So that's the main goal of my channel, is to help you achieve that financial freedom. So please subscribe to my channel and let's get into it. Now, what exactly is ClickFunnels? It's basically a software that allows you to create these automated systems to take your customer through. And I'm gonna show you an example, but I just wanna show you how many people are on this software right now. Over 110,000 users are currently using. Over 1.6 billion contacts have been going through ClickFunnels, or $11 billion has been processed through ClickFunnels. So this is basically how it works. They kind of have a graphic here. As you see, you can collect an email address, you can collect contacts, then you can basically have ClickFunnels automate your sales page for you. So you don't have to go and sell, right? You can have ClickFunnels do all the selling and telling for you. As you can see right here, you can collect money, you can create membership websites, all kinds of stuff you can do. Now, how do we actually make money with this software? Now, the first way that you can make money with ClickFunnels is by building out a course or some sort of consulting service on the software itself. So for example, this is my course that I created. Now, this took me months to create, and it takes a lot of time to create a course, but I'm gonna show you an easier way on how you can make money using ClickFunnels later on, but this is the way I'm making money, and you can eventually get to this point. It does take some time, but basically what I have here is I have this automated sales process where people can buy my courses, okay? Now, the cool thing is people can go through this process, like right here. You know, I collect their email address, which is called an opt-in page. I can then sell them, which is called a video sales letter, which is me basically on a video selling them my course and whatever I have to sell, right? And then basically I can collect money, which is the checkout page, and then send them to the membership area. Cool thing is this is all automated and I don't have to worry about the process, okay? Again, this takes some time to build out, takes some time to learn, but I really recommend, this is the best way to make money with ClickFunnels as a complete beginner, is affiliate marketing, okay? Now, the cool thing about ClickFunnels is they have an affiliate marketing program, and you can earn up to 40% monthly reoccurring commissions. But the cool thing is they have a ton of different products that you can promote and make money with. Now, I'm actually gonna take you through my affiliate program, or my affiliate back office of ClickFunnels. This is one of my favorite ways to make money, and this is actually how I started making money and how I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job. Now, let me show you the back end of my affiliate process, or my affiliate program here, okay? This is ClickFunnels here. As you can see, I've done a little over $18,000. This is obviously not my main source of affiliate income, but this is one of my sources that is paying me passively. As you can see here, I get about $1,700 a month, and this is on autopilot, okay? Now, how do we do this, and how can you use ClickFunnels to kind of automate this process, okay? So first of all, I just want to show you, how you can even make money, right? They have all these programs you can promote, okay? So they have something called the One Funnel Away Challenge. They have, books you can sell. They have webinars you can send people to. As you can see, they have this funnel scripts, webinar, bunch of things that you can send people to, all right? Now, I'm gonna show you how to actually make money with this process, but I wanna show you that they have a ton of different links, a ton of different products that you can send people to. Now, how do we actually do this, right? So basically what we can do is we can create this landing page, right? This is a simple landing page that you can actually create in ClickFunnels and then send them to the offer, okay? So the cool thing about that is you don't have to create a product, you don't have to worry about the fulfillment, nothing like that. That's the cool thing about affiliate marketing, is you can literally just send people to an already converting offer. So let's just say I wanna promote let's just say this software right here, or this program. It's called the Funnel Challenge. Basically, people go through this challenge and you get $100 for everyone that signs up, okay? So this is the page here. Basically, this is an affiliate link. If people buy on this page, then I get paid. Now, let me just show you how this works. And this is what I would do if I were selling this program here, okay? So obviously, this is not my page. They created this. They're doing the fulfillment. They're collecting the money. All you're doing is sending people here, okay? Now, what I would do, and this is how I've made, over 6 figures in like the last 3 months, okay? Is I would collect an email before I send people to this page, okay? So for example, this is what I would do here, okay? I would do something like this. Reveal the 3 simple steps to your first $1,000 a day online. Very simple page. All I want to do here is collect an email address, okay? So this is what I do here. I collect an email, and once they enter their email and they click get access now, then it sends them to this page here, okay? Now this is not my page, I don't own it, but there is an affiliate link. As you can see right here, this link is connected back to me. So when people click on that link, I get paid, okay? Again, the cool thing is I don't have to create these pages. Like, remember the first thing I showed you here was, my course that I created. I had to create these sales pages. I had to pay a team to create this. I had to, create the course. It's a great way to make money. I've done very well doing that, but it takes a lot of time. So what I recommend when you first get started is by promoting other people's products that are already selling, okay? And that's how I've been able to do that. Now, how do we get people to enter their email address? How do we get traffic? And that's a great question I get all the time. And there's a few things you can do, all right? Let's just say you're promoting this one funnel away challenge, or you want to promote ClickFunnels, right? The first place I recommend is YouTube, guys. People are going to YouTube to find a solution to their problem. So if I go and type in ClickFunnels here, you can see all the things that people are searching, right? I can just hit ClickFunnels space. I could hit ClickFunnels A space, and you can see all the keywords that people are searching. Now, what I recommend is creating videos based on these keywords, sending them to a page like this, where you then collect an email, right? And now you can collect emails, and basically that's your business. The more emails you collect, the more money you're gonna make. At the end of the day, that's how I run my business, and I've done very well in just a short amount of time. This is literally how I quit my job, okay? Now, I know a lot of people don't like to create YouTube videos, and I totally understand that. So you can also go to a website like Pinterest and also do the same thing, right? If I go to search and I type in ClickFunnels with a space, you can see all the things that people are typing in, right? As you can see here, templates, ClickFunnels designs. So you can do something like, you can create pictures on ClickFunnels, and then all you gotta do now is now when people click your photo or they click your Pinterest video, it's gonna take them to whatever website you want, okay? In this case, again, I would send them to something like this, where you collect an email and then send them to the affiliate product, okay? Now guys, this is very simple to do, okay? I can literally create this page in minutes, okay? Now let me show you how, okay? So if I go inside of here and I go to edit page, I can very easily change up the text. I can change up the buttons. It's super easy to do, okay? Look, it's literally just drag and drop. And that's why I love this software, because anyone can use it. I literally don't know how to create a website. I don't know how to do any of that stuff, guys. This is made for people that don't know how to use the tech, okay? So great way to build a business, even if you don't have a product, because you can promote other people's products, right? Now, I did talk about the ClickFunnels affiliate program, but you can also find products on, let's just say if you go to clickbank.com, it's basically a network of products that you can partner with and then you can promote, okay? Now, it can be any products like in the garden niche, in the, let's just say, make money online, the health and fitness. And the same thing I would do is create a page like this, right? Free video on how to lose weight using keto, and then you send them to the affiliate product, okay? This is how I've been able to generate a 6-figure income in a very short amount of time, okay? And I wanna show you exactly how you can do this as well. Now guys, what I've built out is a 3-day business breakthrough challenge, where I'm gonna show you exactly how you can build a business. You don't have to have a product, you don't have to have a team. You can literally do this by yourself with just a few hours a day. I was able to do this, guys. Again, as an electrical engineer, working a 9-to-5 job, and I had a baby on the way. So if you want to learn exactly how you can make money with ClickFunnels in 2021, you're a complete beginner. You know that ClickFunnels is very powerful. You know the power of the internet, but you're just not sure what to do. I'm going to show you step by step, click by click, how you can get started. Click the link below, guys, in the YouTube description, and I'll take you through the process. Now, if you do want a 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels, I do have a link to that down below as well. And if you want to learn how to use the software, I do have a free course for those who use my 14-day free trial, okay? I have a link down below, guys, if you want to learn exactly how you can use ClickFunnels, if you want my free ClickFunnels course, and of course, if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.